The P40 STG PV electronics is one of our most powerful machines designed for drilling holes up to 40 mm in diameter in unalloyed building blocks. The classic series machine is equipped with an automatic and programmable Z-axis feed mechanism. It is equipped with a maintenance-free 3-phase motor. Depending on customer requirements, the machine is available with 2 different speed ranges and various special features. The optional transparent hood is a true highlight of this machine. The machine features a clear and intuitively operable touch panel. Here, you can read all important information such as the current speed, drilling depth, and feed rate, and you can also choose between 3 basic processing modes. The options consist of the conventional manual drilling mode, the automatic feed drilling mode, and the tapping mode. In each mode, you can separately adjust the corresponding parameters based on the processing case. You can also opt for special production modes if needed. As an example, we provide a programmable chip breaking mode. The machine prevents the formation of long and dangerous chips. The optional jump switch provides numerous benefits, allowing you to program 4 distinct feed paths. As an illustration, one can rapidly approach a component, slowly center the drilling tool and immerse it, then execute the actual drilling operation with an additional feed rate, and finally exit the hole once more at high speed. The drilling depth impact allows us to set and limit the desired drilling depth for manual drilling easily and comfortably. A knurled wheel allows for additional fine adjustment of the drilling depth. The robust flat machine table can be easily and precisely adjusted in height using a rack and pinion drive. To ensure optimal work safety, we standardly install a drilling guard with electrical protection and an emergency stop button. In the event that you opt for the P40 STG PV electronics, we will offer you a comprehensive warranty of 3 years. For more information, technical details, and special features, visit our website. If you have more questions or ideas, please contact us.